Dear friends, in class 11 we are studying third chapter trigonometric functions, and in exercise 3.3 we are solving 24th question. 24th question is cos of 4x is equal to 1 minus 8 sin square x cos square x. Please note, angle here is 4 times, angle here is half of half. We have one identity for cos 2 theta, that is we can make the angle half. For that we have one identity, cos 2x is equal to, first identity we have studied cos square x minus sin square x. Then second identity was 2 cos square x minus 1. Next identity was 1 minus sin square x, 2 sin square x. And one more identity was 1 minus tan square x upon 1 plus tan square x. So these four identities are there for cos of 2x. Now watch carefully. We need 8 sin square x cos square x. So we need sin square x. So let us use the identity which will include sin square. So cos of 4x, consider LHS. Consider LHS. Consider LHS. Now LHS is equal to cos of 4x. This can be written as cos of 2 times 2x. Now if you see, this is twice of 2x angle. It means we have to use, by using this identity we will have is equal to 1 minus 2 times sin square of 2x. Watch carefully. Angle is double, so it remains double here. Now for 2x identity we have sin 2 theta is equal to, sin 2 theta is equal to 2 sin theta cos theta. That is sin 2x is equal to, we have studied in terms of x, sin 2x is equal to 2 sin x cos x. So this becomes 1 minus, please try to understand, this is sin square of 2x, it means it is sin 2x bracket square. Now for this we can use the identity that is equal to 1 minus 2 times 2 sin x cos x bracket square. Now please note, this is a single term and square, it means it is the square of all the terms inside the bracket. So this is equal to 1 minus 2, 2 square is 4 sin square x into cos square x. So this becomes 1 minus 8, 4 is 8 sin square x cos square x. Now please look at the RHS. RHS also equals to the same. So this is equal to RHS. Thus we can say that cos of 4x is equal to 1 minus 8 sin square x cos square x is proved. Dear friends, we have the last question from exercise 3.3, that is 25th question. We have to prove cos of 6x is equal to 32 cos raised to 6x minus 48 cos raised to 4x plus 18 cos square x minus 1. So in order to solve this, we consider LHS. Consider LHS. LHS is equal to cos of 6x. Cos of 6x. Now this cos 6x can be written as cos of 3 times 2x. So we have the identity for cos of 3 theta. We have the identity for cos of 3 theta. Cos 3 theta is equal to, cos 3 theta is equal to 4 cos cube theta minus 3 cos theta. So this is the identity for thrice the angle. Now we have got cos of 3 times certain angle. So it will be, please note I am purposefully writing in terms of theta to avoid confusion with the x. So here at theta's place you will notice that 2x is there. So this becomes cos of 3 times, cos of 3x is equal to 4 times cos cube theta means 2x minus 3 times cos of theta is 2x. So we will get cos of 3 into 2x, that is cos of 6x, is equal to 4 cos cube of 2x minus 3 cos of 2x. Now watch carefully. We have got twice the angle cos of 2x, and please note what is here. Here you will notice that all angles are x, and question was asked in terms of 6. That is, angle was 6 times, and now we want angle 1 time or 1/6 of the time. So what we are going to do? We are going to reduce the angle, and for cos 2x we have these many identities. Out of this, now see, all given are in the form of cos. So we are going to use this second identity. Cos 2x is equal to 2 cos square x minus 1. The reason is we need right hand side. We need all this. We need in the terms of cos. So this becomes 4 as it is. Cos, this is cos 2x bracket cube minus 3 times cos of 2x. Now use this identity for cos 2x. We will get 4 into 2 cos square x minus 1 bracket cube minus 3 into 2 cos square x minus 1. Now this is nothing but a minus b bracket cube. We have the identity a minus b bracket cube is equal to a minus b bracket cube is equal to a cube minus 3a square b plus a 3ab square minus b cube. Watch carefully. For minus we have alternate negative signs. So this is equal to 4 as it is. Cube of the first is 2 to the 4 to the 8. It is already square. Cube of the square is 6. So this will be cos raised to 6x. Try to understand. Cube of the first. So cube of 2 is 8 and cube of cos square is cos raised to 6x minus 3 times square of the first term. Square of the first term is 4. It is already square. Square is raised to 4 into second term is 1 plus 3 into first term is 2 cos square x into square of the second term, that is 1 square minus 1 cube. This is expansion of a minus b bracket cube. Now minus 3 times, I am writing this side, place is not there, please don't get confused with identities. Minus 3 times this, so it will be 3 to the 6 cos square x minus into minus will become plus 3. Now let us solve this. This 4 was common to all the terms inside the bracket. So this 4 will multiply all the terms inside the bracket. This is equal to 4 8s are 32 cos raised to 6x minus 3 4s are 12. Please understand, this is 3 4s are 12 and 12 4s are 4 is multiplying all the terms inside the bracket. So 3 4s are 12, 12 4s are 48 minus 48 cos raised to 4x into 1 is 1 only. Then next is, this is 3 to the 6, 6 4s are 24, 6 4s are 24 plus 24 cos square x. Watch carefully. 3 2s are 6, 6 4s are 24 cos square x minus 1 minus 6 cos square x. This is the next term, that is minus 6 cos square x plus 3. Sorry, minus 1 into 4. I have forgotten to multiply this minus 1 into 4. It is minus 4. We have to multiply 4 to all the terms inside the bracket. Now see what we get. This is 32 cos raised to 6x. No other term is having the same power, so it will remain as it is. Then next is cos raised to 4. No other term is there with cos raised to cos x having power 4. It means it will remain same, 48 cos raised to 4x. Now this is 24 cos square x. This is minus 6 cos square x. Means they can be added and subtracted. So 24 minus 6 is 18 plus 18 cos square x. Minus 4 plus 3 is minus 1. So look at the RHS. 32 cos raised to 6x minus 48 cos raised to 4x plus 18 cos square x minus 1. So we have reached up to RHS. Hence we can say that cos of 6x, thus we can say that cos of 6x is equal to 32 cos raised to 6x minus 48 cos raised to 4x plus 18 cos square x minus 1 is true. Dear friends, I request you to solve these problems again and again and similar problems again and again, so that you will get a sufficient practice for the identities. Please note, if these identities are not learned properly, you are definitely going to face problems in 12th standard.